And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a GUB, or a GUB if you prefer, phone holder. And not a lot on the box. I've got a black one, as you can see here. Bit of info there, a bit of a read if you like. Nothing much on that end, nothing on the other end. Let's break the seal and have a look and see what's inside. Ooh, okay, there we go. First impressions, very, very nice, really nice. What else we got? Some things there. What's that down the bottom? That's all that's in the box. What's that? Oh, it looks like a little card quality control thing, so if anything is amiss you can track it back to that person there. This looks like instructions, so let's have a bit of a look. We'll open it up I should say. And again, if there's anything of interest, just simply pause the video and have a bit of a look. And we've got some more instructions on the back. And that's about all there is there, so pretty straightforward. Looks like we've got some little rubber clips for the, or plastic are they? Yeah, plasticky rubberized things for the handlebars so you don't damage them. But let's have a bit of a look at this thing. Okay. It's all metal. It's quite solid. Feels good. And oh, okay, we can rotate into different locations, and obviously that is an adjustment for the phone itself. I'll go pop this on the bike and then we'll check it out and see what it looks like with my mobile phone in it. These little clips, there's two different thicknesses in them. You've got this one, which I think is a big one. That'll be the one I'll be using, and you've got this smaller one, which for me, yeah, it doesn't fit the frame, the actual handlebars, so I'll be using the thicker out of the two and popping it into this wonderful little device and connecting it up and see what it looks like when it's all finished. Now there's a nice little feature. If you look right in the middle there's a little pin. Now a standard Allen key doesn't fit. The one that's supplied has got a hole in it, so that will fit over the top and lock this in place. So it's an anti-theft device. It's rather nice, so you're not going to lose your little phone mount. Very impressed with that. I wasn't expecting it. Now I'm outside. I'm just putting the phone into the holder. And that seems pretty solid. I'll take it out for a test ride and see how it holds up. There, the phone holder seems to be working very nicely. Had no problems with it whatsoever. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Please consider a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that as well. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.